right, it's your favorite stock guy back at you with another episode here on YouTube. I'm having so much fun and we're winning together. One of the biggest questions I get asked is diversification and safety. So how do we trade safely so that we don't have too much risk? And Rick, more importantly, at copyandwin.com, you call out winners every day, every week. How do we make sure we never lose? Well, first of all, in the stock trade game, you're going to have losers, but how you manage the small losers against all of your wonderfully big winners, that's our key to success. I urge you, check out copyandwin.com, go to the how-to page, and we'll explain exactly how to do it. But here it is in a nutshell, because I like to keep YouTube videos very short and to the point. So regardless of the size of your account, let's break it up into 5. Right? So whether you have $500, $5,000, or $500,000, let's make every trade the same. And that's critical. Hear me. Because if every trade you ever take is roughly the same dollar amount, then we can manage your trades so that you win daily, weekly, monthly. We've never had a losing week, let alone a losing month, on all the trades I call out on my Discord. So if you haven't joined my Discord yet, do yourself a favor, go take a look for free. We win every day. And how we do it is important. So let's say that you have a $10,000 account. I'd like you to take every trade in the amount of $2,000, right? That's 5 trades. So the key is having 5 trades in the market as often as you can, maximizing the leverage of your account and keeping your money in play. Now, what we're going to do is when you enter a trade, always start with a 5% stop loss. So the most you're willing to risk on any trade is just 5%. Well, Rick, I have $100,000. I don't want to risk $5,000 on one trade. Well, you're not, because we've broken your $100,000 account up by 5, right? So the biggest trade you'll ever take would be a $20,000 trade. Let's talk realistic numbers for most people here. Your $1,000 account broken into 5 would be 5 trades of $200 each. So if you have a trade and you're in it for $200 and it goes against you, you lose 5%, you're out. That was a loser, and that's okay because we win roughly 9 out of 10. So if your $200 trade on your $1,000 account loses 5%, let's do some easy math. Come on, editors, put it up there. Yeah, look at that. We only lose on $200, $10. So your biggest risk with our program would be $10 on your $1,000 account. Well, why? Because you never risk your whole $1,000. The biggest trade you would take with a $1,000 account would be a $200 trade. So your downside risk, your stop loss, and we've talked about stop losses in previous videos, your stop loss would be 5%. So the biggest risk you're taking on any trade would be a $10 risk. Okay, so how do we win every day, every week, every month? Well, if we follow Rick's Discord callouts, we know that he does better than 90%. Yeah, I'm pretty good at what I do. So let's just assume you're going to win 9 out of 10 trades. And you can see all of our statistics right on our website. And you know that we win 2, 4, 5, 10, 20% sometimes in as quick as 1 or 2 days. So let's just be conservative. Assume that we only make 2% on all of our winning trades. By the way, we do much better almost every day. But let's assume every winning trade only makes 2%. Oh, but Rick, let's be realistic. Okay, let's assume it only makes 1% a trade. And let's assume, because my statistics are there, since we started our Discord last year, we win 9 out of 10 trades. So let's assume worst case that you're really bad at following my trades, you get in late, and you only average 1% on all your winners. Well, if you win 9 out of 10 trades, so 9 of your trades made 1%, and one of your trades from time to time loses 5%, let's do the math. 9 winning trades at 1% means you're positive 9% on your overall account. And subtract the one loser, minus 5%, then you've still made 4% on your money every 10 trades, right? And we call out anywhere from 3 to 10 trades a day, so 10 trades at most is maybe 2 days. So who wouldn't like to make several percent every day in the stock market very, very safely? That's what we do at copyandwin.com. That's what I do in my Discord every day with my thousands of members, and that's what I want you to start doing. The way to win is no big risks. The way to win is stop losses. And the way to win is to have a program, trade consistently, and make sure every trade you ever take is the same size as every other trade. Doesn't matter if you think this one's a winner or if one scares you, because the ones that scare me are usually the ones that go to the moon, and the ones that I'm almost positive are sure things, they're the ones that for some reason don't work out. But when you stick to the program and you trade unemotionally, the winners always, in our program, outweigh the losers. I hope this is helpful. All of the details on everything I've just explained by video are right there in writing at copyandwin.com. I'm so glad that we're learning to trade the stock market together. I'm so glad that we're friends on TikTok and now YouTube, and I can't wait to help you continue to change your life in the stock market. I'll be back soon.